Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that impacts all of us, and that is clutter. Well, actually, we're going to talk about decluttering. So this video won't be so long. It's going to be in a couple of parts. So you're going to today we're going to talk about why do we accumulate clutter. So I'm going to give you 10 reasons of why you accumulate the clutter. And so after you watch, I want you to really think about what is the why behind the clutter you have. Don't beat yourself up about it. Just become aware of your why when it comes to accumulating clutter. Understanding the why is the first step. So this is the first part of the decluttering series of understanding why we accumulate clutter. Keep in mind when you are considering these 10 reasons that we accumulate clutter, and when you're thinking about why you accumulate it, there is no good or bad reason. And then the next video will share how actually decluttering is a form of self-care and transformative for us. And then the final video will give you steps on decluttering. We accumulate clutter for various reasons, and most of these are tied to beliefs, habits, and emotions. Here are 10 reasons we accumulate clutter, and they are in no particular order. First is we have a sentimental attachment to some things. They may remind us of someone special or a special event, an achievement, an occasion, and by letting go of it, we feel like we're losing something from our past. The next reason is fear of waste. You may believe that getting rid of some items is wasteful. You believe if I get rid of this item, I'm being wasteful because it's in good condition, there's nothing wrong with it, even if you don't use it or, again, it's not serving you in any way. The next reason is consumerism, capitalism. We live in a consumer culture. We are sold things continuously on social media, via ads. This can lead to impulse buys. I can remember, back in the day, I don't know if they still have this. I can't even think of the name of it. QVC, that's it. They're just ordering things. You're being marketed to. You're being sold items. So whether you need it or not, it may seem like a good deal. You might need it one day. Consumer culture. Another reason is simply a lack of organization. If you don't have a place for everything, you will eventually have piles of clutter. You may start with one junk drawer and then you have multiple junk drawers. You may have a chair you used to sit in, but now it's filled with things. We don't have a place that is designated to put things back. Another reason we accumulate clutter is because of guilt or obligation. You don't want to hurt someone's feelings because they gave you a gift. Even if they don't know that you're going to get rid of it, you feel guilty, you feel obligated. It could be because of that relationship with the person who gave it to you. So you end up holding on to additional items, even though they don't serve you. You hold on out of guilt. Another reason is aspirational thinking. I'm gonna fit in this one day. So you hold on to clothing items that no longer fit because one day you may wear that again. We're holding on to things that fit the person that we no longer are, but that maybe one day we will be. Even with gadgets and technology, you hold on to things that, in the technology world, we've evolved. Y'all know anybody with an 8-track? They've just accumulated all types of gadgets. They just don't get rid of them. They have boxes and just of cords that they no longer have the item the cord went to, but they have bunches of cords. They don't know what the cords go to, but they just have them. Aspirational thinking. Another reason we accumulate clutter is simply because of limited time and energy. We're tired. Busy lives leave little time to address clutter. And we're living in a time where we're juggling everything. I wouldn't even call it living. Sometimes we're just existing, going through the motions. And decluttering is going to involve focus and energy. Another reason we accumulate clutter is what if? When we fear needing an object in the future, it hinders us from getting rid of it. The last reason that we accumulate clutter is around our emotional state. So one area is emotional comfort. Some things we are familiar with. They make us feel safe. But do we really need all of the items for that comfort? Do we? Another component of the emotional state of accumulating clutter is the avoidance of decision making. When you have a lot of clutter, the decision of deciding what to keep, what to toss, what to give away can be emotionally draining. Making that decision in itself can cause us not to declutter, therefore keeping and accumulating clutter. And the last component of the emotional state is emotional avoidance. Clutter can distract us from anxiety, grief, dissatisfaction, or some type of deeper issue, because tackling the clutter may bring up memories, feelings, or thoughts. So that emotional avoidance is a way to distract us from deeper issues. Which of these reasons resonate with you the most? It could be multiple reasons. And remember, there is no good or bad. It's just understanding the why behind accumulating clutter. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video. Please like, subscribe, and put your notification on so that you are alerted when part 2 is available. Thank you.